If you're watching this, it's because you reached out to us or responded to one of our ads looking for help with appointment setting. Clients come to exclusive calls for different reasons. Some want cold calling to generate new business. Some need help following up with past leads that showed interest. This video is here to clearly explain what we do, how it works, and help you decide if this is the right fit, so our call can be simple and efficient. Most businesses don't struggle because they lack leads. They struggle because follow-up breaks down. People don't answer the first time, decision makers aren't always available, and internal teams get distracted, pulled into other tasks, or can't stay consistent all day. That inconsistency is where opportunities are lost. Exclusive Calls is a fully managed, outbound appointment setting engine. We don't just provide a caller, we provide the entire system around them: recruiting, vetting, training, live coaching, quality assurance, compliance review, reporting, and a dedicated account manager as your main point of contact. You focus on closing. We focus on creating qualified conversations. Outreach isn't just phone calls. We engage prospects through phone calls, text messages, emails, and LinkedIn outreach. Depending on your strategy, we can send and reply to text messages, send and reply to emails, and message prospects through LinkedIn when appropriate. When we're dialing, our appointment setters work back to back. On average, that's about 30 completed calls per hour, with calls typically lasting around 2 minutes. And if the decision maker isn't available, we ask questions, find out when they'll be back, and gather additional information like direct phone numbers, email addresses, and the best time to reach them. One important detail: outreach is done under your brand. We can use a local caller ID or your actual company phone number, depending on what you prefer. From the prospect's perspective, this feels like your internal team reaching out. They have no indication of third-party services. The most important thing to understand is that outreach is constant for the entire shift. There's no downtime, no multitasking. Every hour is focused on reaching prospects, handling objections, gathering information, and moving conversations forward. Depending on your process, we can do live transfers directly to your team, or we can book appointments for you. We can enter those appointments directly into your calendar or schedule them based on your preferred availability process. We also update your CRM as we go, adding contact details we gather, notes from conversations, outcomes, dispositions, and next steps, so your pipeline stays organized and usable. We've been doing this since 2008, and one thing we've learned is that consistency only works when quality is controlled. Every appointment setter goes through multiple interview rounds. First round interviews, second round interviews, plus background and reference checks. They're trained on cold calling, warm calling, engagement, lead reactivation, and objection handling, then put through live call drills. About 95% failed the process. We may end up with only 5 to 10 who pass, and those are the people we place on client accounts. Once live, they're continuously monitored and coached with managers, quality assurance reps, and compliance oversight. You also get full transparency through your client portal. You can see the call logs for everything we do, including the time, date, and length of every call. You'll have access to the transcript of every phone call and the prospect side recording. You can also see all text messages and emails we send and the ones we respond to, so nothing is hidden. It's important to be transparent. We can't guarantee specific results. There are variables no company can control, like lead quality, data accuracy, how many attempts it takes before someone answers, whether a business already has a provider, or if the decision maker is even available. What we do guarantee is consistent, professional outreach executed the right way every hour of every shift. After doing this since 2008, we know how to control the process and increase the odds of conversion. On the call, we'll review your lead source, your offer, your goals, and confirm if this is a fit. If it makes sense, we'll outline next steps. If not, you'll leave with clarity.